Hello and welcome to our new training video. Today we will show you how to establish business relationships in the wescale network. I am Klara.
And I'm Ben. Klara, how can I establish a business relationship with another company?
It's easy, Ben. I'll show you step by step. First, open the wescale network under Network Companies.
What do I do next?
Search for the company you want to do business with and click on Show Details. Then click on Request Relationship. You will be automatically redirected to a form. The company with which you want to enter into a business relationship is already pre-selected.
What do I have to fill in on the form?
Select the company profile with which you want to enter into a business relationship. Then decide whether you want to agree to the relationship immediately or at a later date. When you have completed everything, click on Request Business Relationship. You will then be taken to the table overview where the request is marked as pending.
That sounds easy. Is there another way to start a business relationship?
Yes, Ben. You can also start a business connection directly under Connect, Relationships, Companies, New Business Connection.
What happens after I send the request?
A business relationship is only valid and active when both parties have agreed.
So I just have to wait for the confirmation?
Exactly, Ben. Once the business relationship has been accepted, you can work together and share content.
Thank you, Klara. Now I know how to enter into a business relationship in the wescale network.
You're welcome, Ben. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please refer to our user manual or contact our support team. Goodbye.